every Saturday and every Sunday from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock South African Standard Time. We have a QSO party for an hour. And what we do is we try and make as many contacts as we can as possible, and then log them at the end of the hour and see who comes out on top. It's a lot of fun. So if you are able to join us, and when the band opens up, every single afternoon on a Saturday and a Sunday from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock South African Standard Time, we'll be on air. Mostly 40 meters, but not restricted to 40 meters. It is now 10 to 4, and say no more. And I'm off to make some contacts. 73. Okay, Yanni, I've got Yanni. So I've got Yanni on 7015. QSB. Strange to get Yanni on this part of the band. Well, guys, over here on this particular afternoon of Morse code, I gave the Yaesu 857 a go, and I could never understand why all the other chaps were pulling in the signals and I was really battling. I then had discovered that my settings in my radio are all wrong. So I'm going to have to sort out the DSP cutoff to 100 Hertz. I have to set the DSP low pass filter cutoff to 6000 Hertz. I need to fix the DSP noise reduction to about 8. And I need to fiddle around with the noise blanker 50 or less. And then lastly, I need to have a look at the CW side tone of 600 Hertz. So yeah, that's exactly why I wasn't getting the amount of signals that I should have got in. So on this video over here that you've just seen, you'll have noticed that quite a few oaks were missing. So sorry about that, but we've only featuring Jan over here. 73 from ZS6 Mike Zero Whiskey.